Hello all, welcome to a demonstration on power consumption on a brand new Intel Core i7-6700K. We're going to be using a system that has 32 gigs of DDR4 clocked at 3000, Intel i7-6700K at standard clocks, not overclocked. Got it with four hard drives on the SATA ports, as well as two Blu-ray writers on the SATA ports, and we are running a GTX 1070. On idle right now, we're going to, I'll be able to see the full wattage using an APC battery backup, and on the battery backup, the only thing we're running on it is the tower. The monitor's on a separate outlet. So the only thing plugged into the battery backup is the computer itself. The machine itself has a 750 watt power supply. And let's go see what an idle is. Idle power on a standard i7 with these specs. So as you see, we're idling around just, I would say, around the 100 mark, give or take what the machine's doing. And that is in watts. So our i7 is between 90 and it's spiked up to 120 watts on idle there. So let's give this a full stress. We will stress the, maximize the CPU, the FPU, stress the cache, the system memory. We're going to load the entire, all the hard drives, as well as the GPU. So on max load, we'll start it. As you can see, the background in the bottom just came to a crashing halt. We are spiking the CPU to 100%, the motherboard's climbing, and our max load on wattage . So everything drawn 100% power is 742 watts on average. And then we'll drop the power there. And for now, we will quickly pull up a game. My Steam's being a bit screwy. Why is that? I think I just crashed Steam. certainly didn't like me stressing that out. Huh. Lols, why isn't it not bringing up anything? Whole system. Oh, that's balls. I'm gonna have to cut this out, I think. Okay. I'll load up Doom. Under Doom's load right now, we are looking at 184. I just accidentally clicked out of the game. I don't install my games on my solid state. That's just strictly for my operating system, so things tend to run a bit slow on load still, despite the fact that I have an i7 6700K and a 32 gig of DDR4. Okay. We'll go into the game because the menu's capped at 60 frames right now, but we are drawing 182.83. Okay. We are boasting about, this is max settings on graphics. Everything's cranked up. We're boasting about 185 frames right now. There we go, we're up to 200. 200 frames on the draw. I'm willing to bet this game's capped at 200. I can't ever seem to push it over 200. And we are drawing about 265 watts, give or take. It breached 300 there for a second. So it's about 300 watts, 310. I wouldn't go any lower than a 350 watt, and that's pushing this system under max load when gaming. But there you have it, Intel i7-6700K, 32 gig of DDR4, clocked at 3000, all 6 SATA ports, and a GTX 1070, and it's about 320 watts under max load when gaming, or just under max load entirely. So if you were kind of wondering what kind of power supply you may need for a rig like this, you could easily get away, I hate to say it, you could probably easily get away with a decent 400 watt power supply. I wouldn't go any lower than 500, and if you plan on SLI another 1070, you probably need at least 650 to be on the safe side. Thanks for watching.